Types of disabilities. The Rights of Persons with Disabilities (RPWD) Act 2016 came into force from 19 April 2017. It provides disability rights and benefits to categories of people who have specific disabilities. The RPWD Act covers various types of disabilities, including physical, mental, neurological disabilities, and blood disorders. These are the following disabilities covered under the RPWD Act. Leprosy cured person is a person who has been cured of leprosy but continues to suffer from loss of sensation in hands or feet or eyes, or deformity that prevents them from undertaking any gainful occupation. Cerebral palsy, a neurological condition affecting body movements and muscle coordination caused by damage to one or more specific areas of the brain. Dwarfism, medical or genetic condition resulting in an adult height of 4 feet 10 inches or 147 centimeters or less. Common complications include bowing of the legs, hunching of the back, and crowded teeth. Muscular dystrophy, a group of hereditary genetic muscle disease that weakens the muscles, thereby hindering natural movement of the human body, characterized by progressive skeletal muscle weakness. Acid attack victim, a person disfigured due to violent assaults by throwing of acid or similar corrosive substance. Blindness, defined as total absence of sight or very limited sight. Low vision, loss of sight that is not correctable with prescription eyeglasses, contact lenses, or surgery. Hearing impairment, persons with significant hearing loss in both ears. Speech and language disability, a permanent disability arising out of conditions affecting speech and language due to organic or neurological causes. Specific learning disabilities, a deficit in processing language that may manifest itself as a difficulty to comprehend, speak, read, write, spell, or do mathematical calculations, including perceptual disabilities and dyslexia. Autism, a neurodevelopment condition typically appearing in the first 3 years of life that significantly affects a person's ability to communicate, understand relationships, and relate to others. Mental illness, a substantial disorder of thinking, mood, perception, orientation, or memory that grossly impairs judgment, behavior, capacity to recognize reality, or ability to meet the ordinary demands of life but does not include retardation. Multiple sclerosis, an inflammatory nervous system disease in which the sheaths around the nerve cells of the brain and spinal cord are damaged, affecting the ability of nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord to communicate with each other. Parkinson's disease, a progressive disease of the nervous system marked by tremor, muscular rigidity, and slow, imprecise movement, chiefly affecting middle-aged and elderly people. Thalassemia, a group of inherited disorders characterized by reduced or absent amounts of hemoglobin. Hemophilia, an inheritable disease usually affecting only male, characterized by loss or impairment of the normal clotting ability of blood so that a minor wound may result in fatal bleeding. Sickle cell disease, a hemolytic disorder characterized by chronic anemia, painful events, and various complications due to tissue and organ damage. Multiple disabilities including deaf blindness, a condition in which a person may have a combination of hearing and visual impairments causing severe communication, developmental and educational problems. Disclaimer: this information is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please consult a doctor for further advice.